Thanks for watching this episode of Georgia Pinches Go to Mount Tabor Park. Just kidding, guys. But really, thanks for coming in and watching another episode with the Georgia Pinches. This week, we visited a little place called Mount Tabor Park in Dallas, Georgia. The park is cool. It's got some biking trails. As you can see here, it's got a nice little 9/11 memorial area. Lots of hiking trails, some baseball parks, a nice playground for the kiddos. We saw lots of dogs. It's just, all in all, a great little park. We hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you're informed each time we post a new video. If you know someone that might like this video, go ahead and share it with them. And don't forget, we do offer memberships that have some unique benefits on our channel. So go ahead and sign up, and we hope to see you soon out there on those Atlanta and Georgia trails.
So each of these benches is supposed to be we have these little plaques to those who perished in merchant marines, Coast Guard, in gratitude to those now serving United States Marine Corps, United States Air Force, honor of those who served, United States Navy, and the U.S. Army. Well, I forgot to press record. So here we are at Mount Tabor. We're at the lake. Becky Eccles Park in memory of Susan Rebecca Eccles, November 25 to 50, 2000. And as usual, I forgot to press record for the walk out here, but we just walked over to the little pipe over there. Nice little gazebo. Don't see any water. Oh yeah, there's a nest right there. Not a wasp nest, but a regular bird nest. Oh yeah, mud dauber. Oh yeah. Oh man, there's a bunch of them. No, they're called mud daubers, I think. That's just, they raise one. Oh, there's a wasp nest up there too. A couple of them. They raise one baby at a time in each hole. Yeah, there's tons of them. Somebody needs to take care of those. I don't think the mud dauber is so peaceful. So this will be a good place for Sasquatch spotting, I think. Can you picture like a Sasquatch up on that ridge walking up there? Oh, see, there's one right there. Look through the oh, there's a person. I thought it was a Sasquatch. Maybe. Can you drink pond water? I guess, huh? We forgot to bring his water bowl, so he's probably, yeah, we're bad parents today. Of course, we didn't think we would be going to two parks But here we are, Mount Tabor Park. The path here is concrete. It appears as though it's very well kept. Pretty close to downtown Dallas. Where are you going, Totes? Come here. Hi.
How you doing? Doing dippy today.
Yeah. It appears when we first went down there, the guy in front of us, he was just passing. Such a short loop. Well lit. You can walk it at night, I guess. Thought I was gonna get electrocuted. What's over here? Oh, that's the playground. So that's where we started. You missed that part because I failed to record it. But we're on track now. So, beautiful little pavilion, gazebo on the water, Mount Tabor Park. Nice little walking loop. It appears that some locals like use it to walk. Get the laps in, steps in, close those rings. There's a ridge. We call it Sasquatch Ridge. Toto. He sounds like a little piggy. There's another pole. There's another pole for him to pee on. It appears that's like tennis courts and stuff over there. You want to walk down there? Okay, come on, Toto. We'll check it out. Give you a view of the whole park. Didn't bring the drone, so we can't do an aerial view. So this is the ridge, Sasquatch Ridge. There's a trail through there. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Toto. Come on, Bubba. Yeah, I think it's a bike trail. So there is a walking path, and you can walk the trails, just not on Sundays. You want me to get him? Okay. Toto, come here.
Oh.
Yeah, if he's pulled it, it's like,
do it.
yeah, you gotta get it to where it's not, no tension. Oh, there's a big parking lot. It's like some baseball fields. There's all kinds of fields, and looks like maybe a parks building over there. And then I don't know what that is. We'll go check it out. Oh, yeah, it's business time for Toto. Yeah, you done? Toto. Toto, come on. Come on. On his poop. So we're on Sasquatch Ridge right now. And only people in the know call it Sasquatch Ridge, which is just me. He doesn't want to behave today. We're gonna have to wipe his culito when we get home. Or not when we get home, before we leave. There's another field up here. You can see the gazebo we were at a little while ago. Down there. The bike trail down below. I don't know what that is. Let's see if it shows us on the map. Well, it doesn't really show. It just so those are tennis courts up there. It shows that building, but it doesn't have a name for it. The road just comes to an end down here, huh? So, guess we should head back. See what's up here? Is it like a tennis courts and just a little field? Perfect place to fly a drone from. There's a white car just circling the parking lot. You can see the baseball field over there. We'll go check out this building and see what it is. You can hear it. Toto. Don't see any signs. Oh, closed. Closed due to Corona? Yeah. Oh, what is it? Oh, closed for Thanksgiving. Tabor Park Recreation Building will be closed. In observance of Thanksgiving, we will open Monday. I don't know what it is or what goes on in there, but
gym.
oh, it's a basketball gym. Yeah. So it appears you can come here and play basketball, tennis, baseball. That's a softball field right there. What are you, gremlin? Come on, little gremlin. You ready to go? There's a fire hydrant. Get it. Just walk right by it. Oh, he's like, that's the real fire hydrant right there. Well, interesante. I didn't know this place was here. Part of the Paulding County, Georgia recreation department. I have a picture. Oh no, I thought it's, I guess that's the courthouse, huh? On their little picture. Come on, Toto. Here, you gotta. And once again, you pick it up, and people put it right back down. I know. You just gotta smell everything and pee on everything. I don't know what this person's doing. Are they trying to put miles on their vehicle by driving it around? Oh, maybe they're learning how to drive? You think? Maybe they're learning how to drive? Toto, come on. Oh, there's another dog over there. He hasn't spotted it yet. Yeah, I think that's what's happening right now. Teaching him how to drive. So the road's just right there. This is a nice little park. Bike trails. When we get some bikes, then we can go down bike trails. Yeah. I mean, you can walk down them, just not today, I guess. Because it says Sunday bikes only. They don't want people getting run over by the bikes, because people probably zoom down the trails. So you can, oh, is that say for bikes? Or? Should we go back down? This is where we came out. Come on, Toto. They also have a little playground. You know what we really haven't done? Like the first video we ever did was the winter.
Oh.
That's the last time we've been out there, huh?
Okay. You were lost there, huh?
Uh-huh. Yeah, we got lost on the way back that day. A year? Oh, it was a year, but it was at the beginning of the summer. So not last summer, this past summer. So like a year and a half. Come on, folks. So they have like a playground here. And then is that bathrooms or? Yeah, it looks like they're closed. The trash cans in front of them. This is where we started. Did not record that because I didn't feel like it. But they do have restrooms usually. see. Let's see, Totes. See if we can find some water. Most places that have dogs, or allow dogs, have water. Oh, it's not closed. That's... What are you doing? Oh, it is closed. Restrooms available at office or tennis courts behind the office. Come on, Totes. Let's go get you some water. Yeah, that's what he does. That's what he thinks about it. So it seems to me like since Corona, all these places have decided to offer less services and use... I don't know that they use Corona as an excuse, but they certainly offer less services than they used to. So, since we didn't get this on camera earlier because I didn't feel like recording it, I'll go back here and record it real quick. Toto, where are you going? So, the trail direction is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays clockwise. Ride the trails at your own risk. Do not enter Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So there's a lot of trails here, as you can see. They got a 4-mile trail, 2-mile trail, and a 1.5-mile trail. Tennis courts. This is where we're at right now. So we just walked. I guess there's a loop that goes right in here. Up here. Well, that's a lot of trails. For directions are for bikes. Hikers and joggers travel in the opposite direction. Oh, okay, so you can go any day.
Yeah.
It's just certain directions on certain days. Okay. Well, let's go to Mount Tabor Park. This is where we started, and we took off down that way. And about a quarter-mile down that way is the lake. All right, Bubba, you ready? Well, Mount Tabor Park. That's it.